Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials: your account email, linked platform, and any two-factor authentication. Once logged in, make sure to export receipts and backup progress. This prevents losing purchases unintentionally. Next, disable 2FA or note recovery codes because many deletion flows require account access. After that, head to Account Settings, look for Privacy or Security sections. This first step puts you in control. It prevents getting locked out mid-process and explains why backups matter. Once in the right settings, find Delete Account and read the prompts carefully. They explain what will be removed. You will select a reason and confirm identity. Enter your password and any verification code sent to email or phone. Make sure to follow on-screen instructions exactly because some platforms require clicking a confirmation link. After submission, note any cooling off period. This temporarily holds deletion so you can cancel. Doing this step properly ensures the provider authenticates you before you finish by confirming the final email that states deletion is pending or complete. Save that message as proof. If the process stalls, contact support. Provide your username, linked email, and screenshots. Explain steps taken. If you can't access the delete button, revoke third-party permissions, clear app cache, or try the web version from a desktop. This often resolves UI glitches. Finally, make sure refunds or subscriptions are handled beforehand, because deletion may forfeit those.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.